In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and other media in Obsidian. Whether you're using Obsidian for taking notes, organizing your thoughts, or managing projects, adding media can be incredibly valuable for enhancing the richness and depth of your notes. So let's get started with this easy tutorial. Obsidian, as many of you might know, is a powerful tool for personal knowledge management. It's primarily text-based, but what truly makes it stand out is its flexibility, allowing you to incorporate various media formats into your notes to make them more engaging and informative. To begin adding media into your notes, you can start with a simple method that Obsidian provides, the drag and drop technique. This is straightforward and intuitive. You can open your local file explorer on your computer, select the media you want to add, be it an image, an audio file, a video, or even a PDF, then simply drag it into your open note in Obsidian. When you do this, Obsidian will automatically place the file into your Vault's designated attachments folder, and a markdown link will be created in your note to embed the media right where you dropped it. If you prefer another method, copying and pasting the media directly into your note is also possible, especially handy when dealing with images. Just copy the image from its source and paste it into your Obsidian note. Obsidian will handle the rest, ensuring that the image is stored in your Vault and appropriately linked. Let me share a little tip to enrich this process further. Consider organizing your media files within your Vault to keep them easy to find and manage. You can create a dedicated folder for all your media files right within your Vault. This helps keep everything tidy. And since Obsidian supports linking these files back to your notes, it won't break the connections even if you move the file locations around within your Vault. When adding media, ensure the formats are supported by Obsidian. Most common ones like JPEGs, PNGs, MP3s, MP4s, and PDFs work without hassle, keeping your experience smooth. If you're working across multiple devices or with collaborators, remember that Obsidian works best with syncing services like Obsidian Sync or a third-party cloud service to keep your media files accessible and up-to-date across platforms. In summary, adding media to your Obsidian notes is a breeze with drag and drop or copy and paste functionalities. This not only enriches the content, but also enhances your ability to convey complex ideas efficiently. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that incorporating media into your Obsidian workflow will enhance your note-taking and organizational capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking in Obsidian.